Welcome back, beauties, to Beautyistic. If you've ever wrestled with your lashes curling down before noon, or dreaded that raccoon eye look by evening, today's review might be your saving grace. We're exploring the Clinique High-Impact Zero-Gravity Tubing Mascara, designed to lift, curl, and hold your lashes without a curler, and it promises 24-hour wear. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. This mascara comes in a sleek black formula that's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free, so it's gentle even for sensitive eyes. What sets it apart is its tubing technology. Instead of coating lashes like traditional mascaras, it wraps them in lightweight, flexible tubes. Clinique claims this method gives a gravity-defying curl and prevents smudging and flaking. Testing it out, I found the application surprisingly smooth. The wand separates each lash beautifully, and those tubing coats instantly give a lifted, lengthened effect without clumping. I wore it for an entire day through a busy morning, a workout, and evening errands, and it stayed put. No smudges, no flaking, and that curl really did last. Though I'll admit, extreme humidity made it slightly droop after 12 hours. Removing it is easy too. Warm water slides the tubes off without rubbing, which is a huge win for sensitive eyes. On the plus side, this mascara delivers excellent lift and definition while being gentle on lashes. It's long-wearing and smudge-free. The consistency is lightweight, so it doesn't weigh lashes down, and the tubing formula makes removal hassle-free. On the downside, layering it too many times can make lashes stiff. And because it's a tubing mascara, it requires a specific removal method. Rushing it could lead to tugging. In terms of value, it's priced higher than standard mascaras, but for the longevity, curl, and lash protection it offers, it's justified. If you're looking for similar results at a slightly lower price, some other tubing mascaras exist, but Clinique's version combines gentle, allergy-tested formulation with impressive performance, something not all competitors achieve. The packaging is classic Clinique, minimalistic yet sturdy. The wand is well designed for precise application, and the overall build feels premium. While I haven't interacted directly with Clinique customer service for this product, the brand is known for responsive support and quality assurance, which adds confidence to the purchase. If you're wondering whether this mascara can replace your lash curler and standard mascara, the answer depends on your lash type. For naturally straight lashes, it delivers impressive lift and curl, and it holds up throughout the day without smudging. For those with shorter or extremely stubborn lashes, a primer or light pre-curl might still be needed to achieve maximum drama. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Clinique High-Impact Zero-Gravity Tubing Mascara impresses with its lifting power, smudge-proof wear, and gentle formulation. It's especially suited for anyone seeking all-day curl without compromising lash health. If you've used it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.